IIT GATE 2024, question number 53. For the function f going from R2 to R, specified as fxy equals to x cube minus y cube plus 9xy, which of the following options is or are correct? Okay, so we have a function of two variables. So whenever we talk about maxima or minima, local maxima or local minima, the first derivative with respect to x and with respect to y should be put equal to 0 to find the critical points. So the first derivative with respect to x is 3x square plus 9y, and this should be put equal to 0. And the first derivative with respect to y is fy equals to minus 3y square plus 9x. This should be equal to 0. So from here, what we can get that 9x is equal to 3y square, or x is equal to 1 by 3 y square, or from here we can get 9y equals to minus 3x square. So this would imply y equals to minus 1 by 3x square. Okay, so let us put y equals to minus 1 by 3x square in fy equals to 0. So that is minus 3 minus 1 by 3x square whole square plus 9x equals to 0. So that is minus 3 by 9x4 plus 9x equals to 0. So we take x common, and so we will get minus x cubed by 3 plus 9 equals to 0. So we either have x equals to 0 or minus x cubed by 9 by 3 plus 9 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 or x cube equals to 27. So x equals to 3. Okay, so we have two candidates. Okay, so when x equals to 0, your y equals to minus 1 by 3x square, which is 0. So one of the points is 0, 0. The other point is x equals to 3. So y equals to minus 1 upon 3, 3 square, which is minus 3. So the other point is 3 comma minus 3. So this is point number 1. This is point number 2, which are candidates for critical points. Okay, so now let us calculate the second order derivative with respect to x. So fxx is equal to 6x, and fxy equals to 6, and fyy equals to minus 6y. Okay, and now we talk about this is our a, and this is our b, c, and this is our b. Okay, and we talk about our discriminant AC minus b square, which is going to be minus 36xy minus 36. Okay, so at 3 comma minus 3, a is 6 into 3, which is 18, which is positive, and your d is minus 36 into 3 into minus 3 minus 36, which is 36. 9 minus 1, which is 36 times 8, which is positive. So whenever we have A positive and D positive, we have a point of local minimum. Okay, so we have one strict local minimum. Option B is correct. Okay, now let us see what happens at the point 0, 0. So at the point 0, 0, you just look at D. Okay, your D is going to be minus 36, 0, 0, minus 36, which is going to be negative. So if this D comes out to be negative, we have a saddle point. Okay, so option number A and option number B are the correct options.